Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha items in AJPW. Alpha items are among the most coveted treasures in Animal Jam Play Wild, known for their extreme rarity and distinct appearance. These special items hold significant value within the game's economy, making them a prime target for many players. We will cover various methods to help you acquire these elusive collectibles and enhance your in-game inventory. Let's dive into the strategies. One primary way to find alpha items is through daily expeditions. These adventures can sometimes yield alpha chests, which contain a random alpha item. Additionally, certain in-game adventures offer alpha items as guaranteed rewards upon completion, so keep an eye on those. Trading with other players is also a crucial method. Offer highly sought-after items or a fair amount of sapphires to secure your desired alpha. Patience and persistence are key. When trading for alpha items, always research their current market value. This knowledge helps you make informed decisions and avoid unfair trades. Utilize the official in-game trading system exclusively. It is designed to protect both parties from scams. Be wary of any offers that seem unusually generous or involve external websites, as these are often attempts to trick you. Prioritize safety and smart decision-making in all your transactions. To maximize your chances of getting alpha items, actively participate in the Animal Jam Play Wild community. Joining forums or social groups can provide valuable insights into current item values and potential trading partners. Consistent gameplay across all features, including minigames and events, also increases your opportunities for discovery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keep exploring, trading, and enjoying your journey to collect those rare alpha items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.